Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can hide your like videos over on TikTok. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so here we go. First of all, open up your TikTok. Then just go to your profile home by tapping on your profile button. At the home page, just tap on the hamburger menu at the top right and select privacy and security settings. Inside the settings, locate privacy tab. Open it and locate Interactions tab. Below Interactions tab, there will be a lot of privacy options that you can select. If you scroll down a bit towards the end, you will be able to see the option like the videos. Select it and two options will appear on your screen. First one will be everyone, while the other one will be only me. If you select everyone, then your like videos will become public and everyone will be able to see your like videos. To make them private or hide them, simply tap on only me and your like videos will become hidden. And that's how you can hide your like videos over on TikTok. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.